Hey guys, Nick here with another Synaptic Sound FL Studio tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick way to create gating effects on your string instruments or pads or any type of instrument for that matter. So I've created a little pattern here with an arpeggiator and some string chords for the video, and I'm going to be applying the gating effect to the strings. So we'll give that a listen without any effects, and then I'll show you how to do it. So here we go. So you can hear the strings kind of in the background. We can solo that, give you a better idea of what it sounds like. Alright, so we're going to be adding the gating effect to that one. Now the first thing we want to do is make sure your instruments are routed to separate mixer tracks. So we have the arpeggiator going to mixer track 1 and the strings going to mixer track 2. Okay, so go to strings, mixer track, go to the effects panel and add a fruity balance. The next thing is to create an automation clip, so right click on the volume knob and do create automation clip. And now we can see in the playlist it's created a blank automation clip for the volume. Alright, so the next thing we can do is navigate over to channel presets, automation clips, gates, and we have a set of 16 gate presets for our automation clip. And we can choose any of these, click and drag them over to the channel rack, and boom, right there. Now you have a quick and easy gating effect added to the strings. So I'll paste these in there. You can go ahead and see what it sounds like. So it sounds pretty cool. Now there's another thing we can do here to make it sound a little more interesting and kind of customize the sound to our own liking. And that is changing the fruity balance mix knob right here. And what this does is allows you to mix the wet and dry signal together in order to kind of change the sound of it a little bit. It's kind of hard to explain, so we'll show you. So you can see at 0 it basically sounds like there's no gating effect applied at all. And as we start to turn it up, it starts to mix in the gated effect. Okay, cool. So next thing I wanted to show you was how to mix different gated presets together with each other in a series, kind of give you an even cooler effect. So we can get rid of these. You want to have 2 of the basic gate, 1 or whichever one you chose on the playlist, and then go ahead and click this icon right here and do make unique. So now you can see in the channel rack you have 2 of them. And now go over to the automation clips gates presets list in the browser, and you can click and drag another one onto this copy. And now you have a whole nother copy there, whole nother trance gate there. So we're going to find a longer one for this one. And now you have 2 of them in a row. And then you can select them and hit Control B, and that just copies them into the next row over. And we'll see how that sounds. Okay, cool. So that's how you can mix these together, and you can do, an unlimited number. Basically, you can have like 10 of these if you wanted, with 10 different gate presets all in a row. You're not limited at just 2. You would just, go ahead and create more copies using this method here, make unique. So the last thing I want to show you is how to make your own custom gate and then save it for later use. So we'll get rid of those, go back to the strings, mixer track, create automation clip. So we have another blank one. Scoot this back a little bit. And now we can go in and modify the automation clip to create a gate. So you can right click on that last point, click hold, and you can go in and add points here and there to kind of change the way it'll sound. And you're not just limited at the hold. You can change this to single curve, make something like this, triangle or sawtooth kind of effect. And kind of be creative in that way. So let's see how that sounds. Probably doesn't sound too great. It's not too bad, but anyways, you get the idea. It's more of a trial and error type thing. You kind of just create points and place them around and see what sounds good. But anyway, let's say you liked this and you wanted to save it. You can do that by going into the channel options here, and then click this arrow and do save channel state as. And you can see I already have one in there, but you can name it Fast Trance Gate 2, or whatever you want. Hit save, and you can see it added it to the list down here under our channel presets. Yeah. Now that was my ringtone, by the way. Yeah, so you can just click and drag that over here, and well, it didn't do anything, but let's create a blank one again. Click and drag right here, and now you have the one you just created, and it's now saved there forever, so you don't have to go back and reprogram it. And that was it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something, and be sure to check out the Synaptic Sound website linked in the description below. There's a bunch of other written tutorials, gear reviews, a couple of free samples, some Citrus presets, and things of that nature on the website. And that's it for now. We'll catch you later.